Today is March 8th, 2017, and we're experiencing very high winds here in Port Huron, Michigan. It reminds me of the winds during the wintertime at the cottage at White Cliffs in Ipperwash Beach at Ontario, Canada and Lake Huron. And that sound is the leaves going along the sidewalk here. There's still leaves on the ground. It's a beautiful day today, though. It's sunny out, and it's not that cold. It's just very windy, and you can probably hear the wind right now. So very scenic in the sky today. It reminds me of my mom and dad's cottage at Ipperwash Beach when I lived with them in the 1980s and part of the 1990s. Part of the 1980s and part of the 1990s. This is Joanne Rumford.